What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to make this video. Somebody recommended that somebody made a video like this, so it's just to kind of get exposure, since most people don't know how to get on these decentralized tokens yet that are not on the mainstream platforms. So I just want to give this to you guys as a little tidbit. Maybe it helps you out. I hope it does. But this is basically what you do. I personally use Shiba Swap, and that's going to be Shiba Inu's DeFi platform. They're very nice platform. So you go here. That's what I wanted to do. First, you will need a hot wallet or a wallet of some sort. I'm pretty sure you could do it with a cold storage. I'm not 100%. Hot wallet though is going to make it easier, because then you could just use Wallet Connect and you'll be very quick. So right here, there's going to be a button called Connect Wallet. So we'll go there, and then what you do is they'll give you one of a few options. If you already have a MetaMask, then I think that's their preference. That's what they do. And then you'll go right in there. There will be a MetaMask option. And for the sake of the video, let's just do this. We'll do it like this. So what I'll do is I'm actually going to be connecting my. So yeah, there we go. We have it like that. We have install MetaMask, Wallet Connect. That is a very popular way to do it with any wallet. And then this. So what I just scan mine though, because I'm using my phone. So I'm gonna just be scanning this, and I'll connect my wallet. Very easy process. Give me a second here. I apologize. My phone is not wanting to read it. And I did have it. I will edit this out though, so it gets. So I really wish I didn't do that, but let's see. All right. Let's try that again. Oh, yeah. So you go to Connect Wallet, Wallet Connect. It should be easier than this. Sometimes it's not. There we go. So I have connected my wallet. It's going to give you a thing. Do you want to connect it? So boom, now we have a wallet connected. Next thing you're going to definitely want to know is that you need Ethereum in your wallet. So there is some very high gas fees at the moment, and if you are in Ethereum, then you could probably you can go to see what the gas fees are. On most hot wallets, it's going to tell you what they are. So just make sure you are aware of that. So a lot of times you will run into problems just because you did not have Ethereum in your wallet. So you see, I don't have any Ethereum in this wallet, because I made this wallet just for the sake of this video, but I wanted to show you how to do it. So we would take our Ethereum, that's what we have, that's what we'll have there, and then we're going to pick a token here, and these are going to be all the tokens that are not on these big exchanges. So let's go with one like Piccolo Inu, one of my favorites. See if we can find it, and we'll import it. So then you take it, you go to understand. I understand the risk, and there we go. We just imported Piccolo Inu into there. So I don't think it's really gonna let me. Let's see if it'll let me. So let's say we wanted to trade 2 Ethereum. Well, that's a lot. Let's trade a more realistic number that most people have. Let's say 1.5. That's about $500 in Ethereum. There's 600, give or take. And then that is going to buy you 5 billion tokens here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5 billion Piccolo Inu tokens that you can buy. And then there is the fee here of 30.45. That's not huge compared to most prices. But so given you do have the Ethereum, everything is there, you're ready to pay the fee, then right here, this is going to be that'll be available, lit up right there for you to click, and then you'll just be able to do your trade as long as the fees are paid. You could buy yourself $500 worth of Piccolo Inu right there, and that's going to be sent right into your hot wallet that is at this address. So yeah, I definitely hope that you found some value if you've never used this kind of staking platform or swapping platform. But you can do this on any one. You could do it on Uniswap, you can do it on Pancake. There's multiple. You don't have to do it on Shiba Swap. I do because they have actually a very good selection of tokens that are in. So yes, very nice stuff. Yeah, I mean, anything that you can think of. Let's see, I think they have even zombie Inu as well. Yeah, there are a lot of Inus, but basically same concept. You just gotta take. I understand the risk because there is huge risk in these tokens. These are going to be your decentralized stuff. Yeah, so there it is. There, I mean, yeah, that would literally. I don't see why it was doing that, but that's basically the gist of it. You're getting it. And if you need any help, put it in the comments. I'll make another video explaining in detail what is confusing you guys. But okay, the biggest thing is though, you gotta have Ethereum in your wallet. Most people think that it's going to be a straight across trade. No, there is going to be a fee on top of that you need to have in your wallet, or this right here will never light up. It'll just say insufficient. And basically that's the gist of it. So yeah, I hope that helped you, and I will see you in the